Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are all about bringing warmth and ambiance of a fire pit to your backyard with some super easy ideas that take barely any time at all. So grab a pen, because these fire pit solutions are perfect for even the busiest months. Idea 1. This simple brick ring. This classic design is a winner for its low cost and ease of construction. All you need are some fire bricks, readily available at most hardware stores, and a flat surface. Fire bricks can handle the heat, and you don't need any fancy tools. Just arrange them in a circle, 2 or 3 layers, on a flat fire-safe location. Remember, check your local fire codes for regulations on fire pit placement. Idea 2. Repurposed metal drum. Got an old metal drum lying around? It can be your ticket to fire pit party. Now, safety first. Make sure the drum is clean and free of flammable residues. Drill some holes near the bottom for drainage and air circulation. Place it on a stable, fire-resistant base like gravel or pavers. Idea 3. The concrete block crafter. Here's one for the DIY enthusiasts. Concrete blocks offer a sturdy and customizable fire pit option. Stack the blocks in a square or circle, leaving an opening on one side for fire access. You can even add a layer of fire bricks on top for extra heat resistance. Remember, concrete can crack with extreme heat changes, so let any fires completely cool down before adding water. Idea number 4. This sunken sensation. Feeling a bit adventurous? Consider a sunken fire pit. This option creates a more intimate gathering space. Dig a shallow pit following local fire safety guidelines. Line it with fire bricks or stones, creating a raised edge. Fill the surrounding area with gravel for a clean finish. Idea number 5. The firing fiesta. Want a more finished look? Prefabricated fire rings are readily available and offer a clean and easy solution. Choose a fire ring size that suits your space. Place it on a fire-resistant base and enjoy. Idea number 6. The pit stop. Looking for a portable option? Purchase a pre-made fire pit made from durable steel. These portable fire pits are lightweight and easy to store, perfect for taking the fire pit fun on the go. Just remember to check fire regulations at your destination. Idea number 7. The DIY clay creation. For the crafty crowd, this option lets you unleash your creativity. Use fire-resistant clay to mold your own fire pit base. Let it dry completely, following the manufacturer's instructions. This option takes more time, but offers a unique, personalized touch to your backyard. No matter which fire pit you choose, safety is key. Here is the quick rundown. Fire extinguishers nearby always. Never leave a fire unattended. Seasoned firewood only, no trash. Douse the fire completely before leaving. There you have it. With these easy ideas, you can be enjoying the crackle of a fire pit in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more backyard fun ideas.